much do I owe you? Don't be embarrassed. You guys have dream about me? Give me your hands.
They're on your waist.
Put them somewhere useful.
We're here together. May as well make the best out of it.
That's low, Penelope. Even for you. Used to like it when I was low.
I may be dead, but I'm still pretty.
I love you.
And everybody loves me.
But I just wanted to say congratulations.
Maddie, get out of here.
What in God's name is your problem? You cunt.